My name is Otteh Edubio and I study medical engineering at Swansea University. Why medical engineering? First of all, I find that medical engineering combines two very, very important industries together into one. First of all, medicine. Medicine is a huge thing. As long as we humans remain biological, it's always going to be a big thing. And technology is advancing exponentially. So naturally, medical engineering, which combines those two fields, will always be relevant. And this is also attested to by predictions done by Forbes magazine and CNN, which say that biomedical engineering is going to be the #1 job opportunity for people in the years to come. And what it means to me personally is it just gives you opportunities to tackle the problems which in a technical manner. So for example, if you look at an aerospace engineer, they deal with air flight and I don't know, stuff related to aviation. Chemical engineers work with plants and pilot plants and oil plants and energy and so on. A biomedical engineer tackles, in my opinion, one of the most important problems, the human body, and we try to find engineering and technical solutions to tackle those. So yeah, that's why I think biomedical engineering is the way to go. I chose to study this course at Swansea University because I like the balance of the modules you get here, which is something I do not find at other universities. In terms of, usually you have a massive focus on mechanical engineering courses, modules, but at Swansea University you get quite the right balance between electrical modules in your first 2 years and then chemical modules, and then they are then complemented by materials and mechanical modules, and that's what I liked about Swansea University. I love the access to the lecturers we get because we're quite a familial group. What we get is that you have quite personal relationships with your lecturers, and you get lots of access to them. You can always go to them for feedback and give them feedback about the course, which can help them improve the course further. And also, it's also very much about how the course is about trying to produce industry-ready medical engineers. The medical engineering facilities were good at Swansea University. I love the access to 24 hours. Very often we had lots of access to computer rooms. We had access to medical imaging equipment in some of our modules. We had access to processing equipment for manufacturing processes, just to have experience with that as well. Also having access to the hospital around here helps as well, because that gives us a bit more insight into the medical aspects of medical engineering. So yes, they were quite good at Swansea University. I think that's what I enjoyed the most about Swansea University, my student experience aspect about it. I mean, we have a lot of societies which encompass every aspect of student life. So you have your sports societies, you have your academic societies, like specifically the medical engineering society for us medical engineers, which tries to cater to the professional development of the medical engineers at Swansea University. And otherwise you have all these other societies that actually try to cater to your interests in other aspects of your student life. So yes, they're quite great at Swansea. I would say, I don't know, just try and have a full experience. I mean, it's not just about getting the best marks. I mean, of course that's part of it, but then you should actually try and develop yourself as a person as well, because that's what is going to lead you to the best lead you to make the best choices in terms of your career options down the road. So yes, I think my advice would be just try and develop yourself as a whole person and not just as a student. I have a 10 years plan. I'm not exactly sure how much I will adhere to it in the end, but I'm hoping to gain some experience, yes, in the next 2 years, and then I hope to complement my degree by doing an MBA, so getting a business element into my career perspective, and hopefully in 10 years I'd like to start my own thing, my own company, my own medical device solution company or something like that. So yeah, that's my plan.